Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you a gorgeous card with some of the beautiful new Pansy Petals Designer Series paper. The layout I'm going to show you is one of my favorites for quickly and easily showing off our beautiful papers, and you don't even need to do much more to finish up the card. As my friend Carolyn says, you can just let the DSP do the talking. So the measurements for the card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of cardstock, and I'm using polished pink. This is 4 by 5.25 inches. Another piece of cardstock, and for me, I'm using fresh freesia. This is 3 5/16 by 4 9/16. And then you'll need 3 pieces of Designer Series paper. And as I said, I'm using the Pansy Petals paper. Each of these 3 pieces measures 15/16 of an inch, so just about an inch wide, and then 4 by 3/8 of an inch tall. I've also got some scrap white cardstock that I'm going to cut out and use for my sentiment, and a little strip of evening evergreen cardstock that I'm going to punch. This measures 4 inches by 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to start by running this piece of cardstock through my embossing machine with the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder. One of the things I love about this folder is that you could use either side of that cardstock. It creates 2 awesome textured patterns for you. Next, I'm going to use this little die from Stitched So Sweetly, and I'm going to cut out a piece of this white cardstock. I'm going to use the Happy Birthday sentiment from the Peaceful Moments stamp set. This is a fantastic stamp set. It's got so many great sentiments in it. And I'm going to use my fresh freesia ink. For this little piece of evening evergreen cardstock, I'm going to use the Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch to punch off the ends. This is a really great punch because you can actually punch 6 different shapes in total on different widths of cardstock. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. Now with these DSP panels, you could use 3 different patterns, you could use all the same pattern. What I like to do is put 2 the same on the outside and then put a different one in the middle. That's just my preference though. You mix it up and do what you think is best for you. And I'm going to add some rhinestones to embellish. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I am offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming, and I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Find the link in the video description. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!